Hello and welcome to SEVAQ Plus, the self-evaluation tool for quality and technology enhanced learning. Let's see how to design a questionnaire. The first step is to log into the designer area. Here you use the username and the password which you received by email. Don't forget to choose the language you want to work in. On this screen there are two parts to the menu. The first part concerns the management of questionnaires, and the second part the management of respondents. We're going to see how to create a new questionnaire, how to manage questionnaires, applying them to different kinds of respondents, and having a look at the results of the questionnaires. So let's see how to create a new questionnaire. First of all, you need to choose the language for your questionnaire and then give it a name. You can then choose between long and short questioning. Long questioning gives the most detailed evaluation. Short questioning you should choose if your respondents don't have much time and you just want an immediate picture of their satisfaction. Here we're going to estimate the length of time it will take respondents to complete the questionnaire, and for the purpose of this demonstration choose the guided approach. But we're not going to use profiling questions here. Now we're going to configure our questionnaire to get the best possible selection of statements to be evaluated. First of all, we choose the educational sector we're working in this case higher education, and we set our profile as questionnaire designer. Here I will take the role of project manager, working in a blended learning context, and I will be asking students to complete the self-evaluation questionnaire. This questionnaire is to be implemented at the end of the course. On the right we can see that the SEVAQ Plus tool proposes a total number of 288 questions for this type of profile. But of course we're not going to use all of them. In this step we are going to define the objectives of our questionnaire. We have a series of criteria which are organized into three categories: resources, processes and results. We choose the criteria that we want to evaluate, and we can see here that the number of possible questions or statements is down to 61. In the next stage, we're going to work at the level of sub-criteria. So again, we select the areas we want to evaluate, and we have a total possible number of questions of 25. In step 5, we see the actual statements which respondents are going to evaluate when they fill in their questionnaire. We select those which are most appropriate to our learning situation, and if necessary, we can add our own statements. When we're satisfied with our questionnaire, we can validate it. This screen shows the different options available for managing your questionnaire. You can print it, preview it, edit it or modify, save it under a different name, or delete it. Let's preview the questionnaire we made earlier to see how it would look to respondents.